Good morning, everyone. It is mid-February the 16th. I have my Gabby's Grill going here. I'm just kind of cleaning it. I'll probably cook on it later tonight, but I just wanted to show everyone the new unit that I had custom made for this. It's a fire pit. It's a 24-inch ring that I had custom made. It's 3/8 steel. It's a heavy beast, but it's gonna work out really nice because I just wanted to relax a little more. I wanted a fire pit that I could take with me places and still take my grill. The Gabby's Grill, made by Junior Castro out of Paso Robles, California. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome being able to have this with me. It is heavy, but hey, that's what a Suburban is for. Gotta have some place to load the wood anyway, right? But yeah, this is gonna be nice. Really looking forward to using this, especially this new pit with this. Man, this is really nice. I wanted to lower it a little bit because I just wanted to relax and cook, you know, just sit down. I'll be able to do this with this. I'm really looking forward to many years of cooks on this grill Junior made and this fire pit. I don't know which one will last the longest, but probably together. Sky's the limit on that. But yeah, this is gonna be a perfect complement for my backyard. My kids have been asking to roast marshmallows and make s'mores and stuff like that. They'll look forward to it. They'll enjoy this. Other than that, this thing's nice and warm. One thing about this thick metal is that I will be able to feel a little bit more heat. This thing radiates heat because of its thickness, so that's one advantage over this. A friend of mine that just basically took the parts that I got from Metal Mart and welded it. I just expected him to tack weld it. No, he went all the way around on the bottom and everything, and man, this thing is tight. It's pinned up sharp. He took his torch and put some vent holes in it for me. It's working out well. It's perfect. I'm really gonna enjoy this. I think I'm gonna really enjoy it. But all my subscribers out there, I thank you for watching, and you know, hey, these grills, these Gabby's grills are awesome, and they're fun. They're a lot of fun. I can't wait to do more cooks on it, and it's gonna be nice, you know, because after I'm done cooking, I could take this grill right off, and the marshmallows or s'mores and everything else that the kids want to do can go right on over it. I don't have to fire up something else. Of course, I could have done that with this too, but I wanted to put this in a couple of permanent spots. Not permanent, but a couple spots in the backyard, and also, you know, when we go camping and stuff like that, I'm going to take this with me. Yes, I'm gonna take this heavy beast with me, but I don't care. I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, the Gabby's Grill, made for the 22, fit right on top perfectly, and I can't wait to do some cooks on it. I'm just kind of curing the metal and everything on the inside of on the ring and on the bottom and everything else. I can't wait to do some cooks on it. It's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be really nice. I think this is gonna be a lot of fun to have this pit, this fire pit, you know, keep us nice and warm, even on some of the cold nights in spring, even during summer. Gonna be really nice to do. Hey, but thanks for watching, everyone. You all have a good weekend, okay?